Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Stellenbosch 0, Stellenbosch 1 via penalties. I'm joined by Zweli Abdul.
Brother, how are you? How are you? Good. Today, I just want to analyze the game. Critical. You see,
analyze.
we start with yesterday's game. Mamelodi Sundowns and Marumo Gallants.
Yeah.
You know, we have a big problem now. Our teams don't want to score anymore. You know, we have a big problem of players scoring.
Yes.
You know, teams can play good football, they can create chances, but there's no penetration and there are no goals.
Yes.
So we take at Sundowns game yesterday. We battle along a 4-3-3.
Sure.
Ne?
Sure.
And ensuring Gutu Reynas gets those balls here. Ne? And then when we look at Marumo Gallants, ne? Line over, they were flat. They were playing with 4 centre backs. So they were flat. And here with 2 in the middle. So pressing forward, with wing back. And then pressing this one, always when they get the ball, and then these ones will push forward. Lamabhola lawa bazowawina la bakwazi ukuthi badlale because bayazi ukuthi uKhuliso no Mutiba they will always go up. Mabephumile la they will enter here. So that was a problem for Tezrick Matthews. I felt ukuthi Tezrick Matthews or Sundowns lost the game when they introduced or started with Reynas, because that was not Reynas' game. They should have maybe put Ushalulile there in that position to be more offensive on those balls, because Ushalulile is very quick and then aerially he's very good and then he's a threat. So Santos combination ga Santos no sales it's not working out. It's not working out. I don't know what's happening, but it's not working out. Santos can play good passes in between. They were supposed to create a diamond shape. Rotate. Ukuthi okay sharp mina ngikho mnandi la uyabona uSantos ukuthi la akakwazi ukuyenza lama splitting pass for Reynas ukuthi azokwazi ukuyenzani angene la eboxini create ama chance and because bavalile la move so into ekumele abayenze la ukuthi they should have played a rotation alende naye I think he is failing Mamelodi Sundowns because I don't know his role ukuthi manje yini because he's all over the place getting those balls trying to be skillful. Who are you dribbling when you are here? And it's a waste because you can't dribble here. At least put pressure here. When you are here, you are able to take them on. Take them on, creating chances. Then there's an opportunity. So Marumo was satisfied with giving them the ball, because they know they cannot compete with them. They were content with saying, okay, you can have the ball, do whatever you want to do, but Tina will capitalize on the chances that we get, because we know your left back and your right back will always overlap. And Obas has to come in and fill in those gaps. So that was a wrong move by Mamelodi Sundowns to actually play that. And even with Obas Nomdiba, Umdiba was always inverting, coming in. So they should have seen that problem. Okay, Mudiba is always inverting. Then we need to rotate. Tezrick Matthews should have come here. And Yabona Lentole, because Reynas had to go this side and play. So, this rotation, Reynas, no Tezrick Matthews, had little impact because Ushalulile so put Shalulile there and they were going to score. So we have a problem, just like today's game. When you analyze Kaizer Chiefs, they were playing 4-3-2-1. So they were relying on Umayo. Mayo is always here. So I think so Mayo is always going to be here. So manje they rely on these 3 guys. ukuthi bazodlala la ulile pomela akwazi ukuthi ayenze lama crosses Yabon? So lie 2, lie 4 at the back. Yabon? So for me, this formation failed Kaizer Chiefs today because it means you are going to play good football. But who's creating chances here? How many shot on targets? You have 5 shot on targets. When you look at the stats, shot on target, big chances 0. Yabon. So attack on their half, yabon, is minimum. Yabon. So it means you can attack the spaces here. Yabon. Nikwazi ukudlala labantu laba nikwazi ukubabulala. But when you get to their box, yabon, there's no one who is there. And Umayo, when he gets those chances, yabon ukuthi he's struggling, he's alone. He's got pace, he wants to make it in, he wants to create ukuthi mhlambe kube ne penalty or something set piece, and he's struggling because akusena muntu ozoyenzani ozomdlalela amabhola ayenze umsebenzi wakhe ube simple. There's no creative player lapha ku Chiefs. Yeah, there's no creative play. When you look into it ukuthi mawungathi uyabheka the way uMayo bam overloada ngakhona ne ngalamabhola, they expect so much from him, and when he does not deliver, yabona, he's the problem because akunamuntu la. Yabona, and there's nothing. I fail to understand ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs yenzani my kuma training session. Yeah, when they are training, I think they should start practicing mhlambe taking shots, scoring, because a shot on target mfethu. How many shots were taken there? Mangathi yabheka kuleyo game. Yayibona lento le. On target sibheke kahle 7 all in all. But how many goals?
0.
Check game yamaZulu. Same thing. They are doing the same thing. So it means the problem is with scoring. So mabengena ku training session, coach bekumela ibone lento le ukuthi man, we have a problem with scoring. Yabona. But unfortunately, because iKaizer Chiefs ayisena coach, yabona, there's no technical team there, and they are failing themselves because you can see ukuthi decision making, it's just yabasha because they don't know the right subs. Now yabona, you can't take out umdude or die and replace ngabo to Priest. Yabona lento le. What is your intention? Yabona, what do you want there? Yabona ngo to Priest. Yabona. So why not put in Lomfana Uvila? Yabona. Uvila guys, I don't know where he is, but just put in that boy. Yabona. He's very offensive and the crowd loves him. Yabona magengena. He's able to create ama chances. Yabona, those crosses he's able to put them in the box. Ulilepo azokwazi ukuthi ayenzeni a drive through azodlala as a strike or a false 9. Yabona lento le. Then Umayo is free. Always. So lama defenders lawo azoyenzani as ulilepo uzokwazi ukuthi abadraw in. Uyasala Umayo. Now
Uthola space upopozine.
Simple things. Yayibona lento le. So bona bay understandanga lento lena because I technical team ayiko, coach ageko, and even that's why now they wanted to substitute Ntwari. Yabona, that is lack of, yabona, ubulali morale ama player.
Panic.
Yeah, you panic and then you become reactionary and not proactive. So it means even the management is under pressure because they don't know what they are doing. So we find a manch. So with training session, go back to the drawing board, look at your problems and find solutions. The only problem is scoring. So do ama drill sessions or scorer. Teach your players to take a man on. You can't be going back. So boxing take your players on, man. Man of the match, Ox, he played very well. Very well. Abonu Oxy, udlalile la mabola beka our winner. I think 85% of those balls our winning la. Yabon. And even trying to push azodlala la. So umthola la Ox. Yabon. So what is happening here with this guy odlala la? Yabon. Magabon ukuthi okay, Ox is rotating. Mina uthi ngene spacing. Create, draw in defenders ukuthi anake attention. So create spaces ukuthi bazokwazi ukenzani? Bangene baphasa amabhola angene uMayo. Net. Simple things. Yabona.
Back to basics.
Back to basics mfethu.
Akubuyelweni kuma basics.
Akubuyelweni kuma basics. Enough today. Brother.
I didn't know you had that in you, man.
No. We are dangerous. Now they know.